Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to install commercial 6-inch light. This is the building that we're going to be installing this light into. This is our product. It is from Elite LED light, 6-inch LED. It's going to go right into this hole. What you're going to need is some gloves, some wire strippers, an impactor. So this is the basics of this LED. It has these 3 wires in the back and it comes with these bolts and nuts. And you just simply twist off, exposing the 2 screws right there. The first thing you want to do is put these screws in the farthest hole using your impact, tightening the bolts, leave about 1/2 inch. Next, pull out your wire, straighten out your wire, and then cut away, leaving about 6 inches of wire. Next, strip your wires. The best way to do this is hold your wire stripper at a 45-degree angle to the gauge. We're using a 12-gauge wire, leaving about 1/2 inch. Like that. Now remove the cap from your light, and then now you take your light and you connect the ground first. You take your wire and you line it up with the house wire so it's flush. You take your nut and you put the nut over and you twist the nut. When the wire begins to spin about 3 times, then you're done. Then you take your white and your black in that order, just like that. When all the nuts are in, 3 of the nuts, tuck your wires inside the cup. And then take your light, line it with the bigger holes. Once the nuts are through the hole, you twist it. I'm having a difficult time because I'm using one-handed, but if you're using 2 hands, it will take you just a couple of seconds. And then go ahead and twist it. Take your impactor now and gently tighten the bolts. Don't overdo it. And then after that, you take your cover cap and you put the cover cap and you twist to the right. And just like that, you're done. So you guys, thanks for watching.